Service goes to Rayagada player Sanu. 1-2 score. Yes. What a match. This is Daba volleyball from Purida grounds. Munna versus Mohan's match, third match. Rayagada versus Rautpur. Score 1-2. Match is running. Yes. Two team players playing. Service goes to Rayagada player Sannu. 2 equal, 2 saman. 2-2. Rautpur 2, Rayagada 2. What a match. What a game this afternoon. This is third game, final game I think. Good game. 2-2. What a shot. What a shot. Yes, what a taken. Wow. The Rayagada players playing as well. Shots and takens. Yes, this is Daba volleyball from Purida grounds. Yes. What a taken by Bago. Yes. 2-2, 2 equal, 2 saman. Yes, game is good, ground is good, teams is good, match is running. 2-2, 2 equal, 2 saman. What a match. This is third match, Rautpur versus Rayagada. What a taken. What a match. Two teams players playing well. Very powerful play I think this is game. Daba volleyball. Wow. What a match. Points are equal. 2-2. Match is running. Who is won? Who is lost? Watch this please. This game. Yes. Match is running. What a game. This is Daba volleyball from Purida grounds. Right, service goes to Rautpur player Suresh. 2 saman, 2 equal, 2 all. Yes. Right, service goes to Rayagada player Sannu. Score 2 equal, 2 saman. 2 saman. What a match. This is afternoon match, third match. Rayagada versus Rautpur match. Yes. What a match. I think this is challenging match. 50-50. Who is won? Chances 50-50. What a taken by Sanjay. What a match. Yes. Points are equal, 2-2. This is Daba volleyball from Purida grounds. Match is running. Good game, good game. Good ground. Players are good. Service goes to Rayagada. Player Sannu. Score 3-2. Score 3-2. Match is running. This is third match. Rayagada versus Rautpur. What a taken by Bagu. Yes. What a shot. Service goes to Rayagada player Sannu. 4-2. Score. Score 4-2. Match is running. What a game this afternoon. This is third game. Score 4-2. Score 4-2. What a game. Yes. This is Daba Volleyball from Purida Grounds. Score 4-2. Rayagada score 4. Rautpur 2. Yes. Match is running. Very cool. Yes. What a weather. What a weather. What a match. Score 4-2. Match is running. What a shot. What a shot. This goes to Rautpur. Score 2-4. 2-4. Yes. Service goes to Sanjay from Rautpur player. 2-4. What a weather. Very cool. Match is running. What a shot. Yes. This is Daba Volleyball from Purida Grounds. Wow. Right, service goes to Rautpur. Score 3-4. Score 3-4. Rayagada score 4. Rautpur 3. Match is running. What a match. What a game by players. All players. 2 team players playing as well. What a shot. What a taken. This is good game. 3-4 score. Rautpur score 3 and Rayagada score 4. Match is running. What a shot by Chulbul. Yes. Yes. This is good game. Rautpur versus Rayagada. Match, third match. Match is running. This is what a shot by Sanu. Yes. This is good game. Rautpur versus Rayagada match. Right, service goes to Rautpur, play Sanjay. 4 saman. Yes. 4 equal. 4 all. 4-4. Rautpur 0.4. Rayagada 0.4. What a match. 50-50. Who is won? Who is lost? Please watch this match. What a shot. Oh, what a match. What a match. What a playing players. 2 team players. Rayagada players. Rautpur team players. Very effective players, I think. What a shots. What a takens. This is Daba Volleyball from Purida Grounds. Muna versus Mohans. Rayagada versus Rautpur. Third game. Score equal. 4-4. Yes. Goes to Rautpur player Sanjay. 5-4 score. Yes, 5-4. Score 5-4. What a match. What a racing by Rautpur players. This is Daba Volleyball from Purida Grounds. Rautpur versus Rayagada match. Score 5-4. Rautpur score 5. Rayagada 4. Match is running. What a match. This is afternoon match, third match. Rautpur captain Mohan, Rayagada captain Munas. What a match. Weather is very cool. Yes. Match is running. Rautpur versus Rayagada. Score 5-4. Service goes to Rautpur player Sanjay. 6-4. Score 6. 4. Rayagada score. Right service goes to Rautpur player Sanjay. Score 7-4. What a match. What a rising by Rautpur players. This is game. Daba volleyball from Porida grounds. Rautpur versus Rayagada match. Third match. Rayagada captains Munna and Rautpur captains Mohan. Mohan versus Munna. Match is running. Right, code is change. Code is change. Service goes to Rayagada. Score 4. Yes, service goes to Rayagada player Rajendra. Score 4-7. 4-7. Rayagada score 4. Rautpur score 7. What a match. What a match. This is Daba volleyball from Porida grounds. Yes. What a match. What a weather. What a players. What a playing. What a game. Wow. Who is impact player? Who is impact player? Please watch this match. Yes. 7-4. What a match. Rautpur players, what a rising. Yes, 4-7. Service goes to Rayagada. Score 4-7. Rayagada score 4. Rautpur score 7. Match is running. This is good game. Good weather. Good players. What a game. I think this is a challenging. Service goes to Rautpur player Sanjay 7. Score 7-5. Service goes to Rautpur player Sanjay. Score 8-4. Score 8-4. What a match. Rautpur players, very rising players. What a rising. What a points. 8-4. Rayagada score 4. But Rautpur score 8. What a game. What a match. What a playing players. Rautpur players. Who is impact player? Please see. Please watch this match. What a match. This afternoon, third match. Rautpur versus Rayagada. Service goes to Rautpur player Sanjay. Score 9-4. 4. Score 9-4. What a game. What a players. What a playing. Yes, this is Daba volleyball from Porida grounds. Wow. 9. 9-4. Rautpur points 9. Rayagada points 4. Match is running, but rain is coming. Rain is coming. What happened? Yes. This is Daba volleyball from Porida grounds. Match is running. 9-4 score. What a match. Service goes to Rayagada. Score 4-9. Score 4-9. What a match. What a match. Yes, this is Daba volleyball from Porida grounds. Rautpur versus Rayagada match. Third match. What a shot by Chulbul. Wow, 9-4. Score 9-4. Match is running. Daba volleyball from Porida grounds. Score 9-4. Rautpur points 9. In Rayagada 4. Service goes to Rayagada. What a match. What a weather. Yes. This is match. Munna versus Mohans. What a game. This is game. This is game. Rayagada versus Rautpur. What a shot. Chulbul. Yes. What a game. Munna versus Mohans match. Third match. This is afternoon match. Score 9-4. Goes to Rayagada. Score 5-9. Yes, 5-9 score. Rautpur points 9. Rayagada points 5. Match is running. What a playing players. Rayagada players. Yes, what a game. What a shot by Banu. Yes, this is Daba volleyball from Parida grounds. Service goes to Rautpur player Sanjay. 9-5 score. Score 9-5. Score 9-5. Rautpur score 9. Rayagada score 5. Service goes to Rautpur. Match is running. What a match. What a match. Yes. Third match. Rayagada versus Rautpur match. Weather is very cool, but match is very tension. Yes. Match is running. 9-5. What a match. What a taken by Bogo. Yes. This is Daba volleyball from Parida grounds. What a match. Score 9-5. Yes. Two team players. What a shots. What a takens. Yes. What a shot. This is good game. Rautpur versus Rayagada match. 9-5 scores. Who is win? Who is loss? Please watch this match. Tension match, I think. Players are playing is very cool. Weather is cool. Yes. What a match. 9-5. Service goes to Rayagada player. Score 5-9. Score 5-9. Rayagada 5. Rautpur 9. Wow. What a match. Yes. This is the game. Yes. What a game. Rayagada versus Rautpur. Third match. What a game. Score 9-5. Rautpur score 9. Rayagada score 5. Match is running. Weather is cool. Players are playing is very cool. But match is very tension. Rayagada captain Munas and Rautpur captain Mohans. What a shot. Yes. What a shot. Match is running. This is a Daba volleyball from Parida grounds. Score 9-5. Rautpur points 9. Raigada 5. Match is running. Wow. What a match. What a shots. What a innings. Yes, this is Daba Volleyball from Porida grounds. What a playing players.